The Starlink people believe that 90% of our passengers would happily pay for Wi-Fi access. Our experience sadly tells us we think less than 10% of our passengers pay for this access, and therefore we can't afford to shoulder costs of between 150 or 250 million a year. If Starlink wants to fit the flights, fit our aircraft and pay for the fuel drag, we'd happily put them on board. But the only way we see Starlink working on board our aircraft on short-haul flights is if you give it away for free. And like most things in life, if you give it away for free, passengers will use it. If you want passengers to pay something modest like €1, €2, or $3 on our average 1 hour, 15-minute flights, we think less than 10%. I think, and that's even optimistic, probably less than 5% of passengers will take this up. I thought that was a reasonably measured response to why we're not using Starlink. Elon Musk apparently took great umbrage and resorted to insulting me on X at the weekend, calling me an idiot. I think yesterday he also rounded on me and called me I think a retarded twat. All I would say to Elon Musk is he would have to join the back of a very, 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 very long queue of people who already think I'm a retarded twat, including my 4 teenage children. But we do want to thank him. We've had, I think, 3 or 4 million hits on this seat sale our IT team launched yesterday, which is the Big Idiot seat sale. There's 100,000 seats available for sale at just $16.99, which just goes to show that Europe leads the world in low airfares. There's no airfares like this in North America. And we're later on this morning going around to the ex-offices in Cumberland House to present or to give Elon Musk a free ticket. He doesn't even have to pay the $16.99, a free Ryanair ticket, to thank him for the wonderful boost in publicity, which has seen our bookings rise significantly. They're up about 2 or 3% in the last 5 days, which, given our volumes, is a very significant boost. So thank you to Mr. Musk. I take no insult at all as being called an idiot or a twat. As anybody with teenage children would know, you're frequently called an idiot and a twat at home. I don't need to go outside to be insulted. But he's wrong on the fuel drag. We noticed he was holding a poll about should he launch a bid for Ryanair. We're a publicly owned company. He's free to do so at any time. But non-European citizens cannot own a majority of European airlines. But if he wants to invest in Ryanair, we would think it's a very good investment, certainly a significantly better investment than the financial returns he's earning on X. And we want to thank him sincerely for the additional publicity.